guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be testing out this new wig that was sent to me from Ayiyi. I think that's the name, Ayiyi Wigs. And this is what the box looks like. I think it's Ayiyi. So we are going to be reviewing the straight 4x4 transparent lace closure human wig, and they sent me an 18-inch. Okay, so let's just see what we got in here. The box is like damaged here. So we got some lashes. I think this is one of those headbands when you want to lay your edges. And we also got an edge brush. We also got a cap. We got one of those pins here. Okay, it looks like it's pre-plucked already, which is good. I like when here is pre-plucked. This is it, 18-inch. Really pretty. Natural color, really nice. So we got a strap and we got two combs on the side. We got one in the middle and we have one in the back. So this is a 4x4, okay? That's all the lace you get, and actually it comes pre-plucked. You guys can see from the back. Yeah, this fits really nice. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay, it has a comb right here, so I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use that right here as well. Really thick, as you guys see. Beautiful hair. Wow, I love the hair. Actually, it's very thick, and I don't get any. Yeah, I got a few shedding. I got a few of them, like one or two. And this is the front here. I'm gonna bring this back. So this is the front. So this is what it looks like here. Okay. So if you want to make baby hair, you can, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's just see what this looks like here. Okay, let me just comb it out to see. And we have a white hair somewhere here. I'm gonna pull that out. Really soft. It's very pretty. Look at this. And it's really full, guys. This is full. Okay, so we are turning here so you guys can see how much hair. This is, wow, this is good quality hair. I love it. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace real quick and then let's come back. So I really do like this wig. I think that it looks really pretty on me, and this is my thing. Like, I really love straight hair. I just think that it looks really beautiful on me. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. I would have all the information in the description box down below. If you guys enjoy my wig videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.